Fix this site can't be reached on Chrome. So if you want to fix if your Google Chrome says that this site can't be reached, sometimes the issue could be with your internet connection. So you want to actually just check whether or not the internet connection is working fine, because sometimes that could actually be the issue. The second thing that you want to check is that particular site. You can try opening other sites. If other sites are opening well, but only that site is not opening, then sometimes it's the problem with the site itself and there's really nothing you can do about it. Very rarely it is that it is actually the Google Chrome's fault, and if it is, there are a couple of ways to fix it. You can click on the three dots icon from the top right hand side, then simply go to the option called settings. Once you go to settings on the left hand side, simply go to privacy and security, then go to the option called delete browsing data. And once you're here, you'll find the option called cached images and files. Now, if you want, I would recommend you check all the cookies and browsing history as well. Then select all time, then click on the delete data. But since they are important to me, I will only select cache images and files. Then I'll click on delete data. After that, go to the About Chrome section from the bottom left and check if you're using the latest version of Google Chrome. You can try to update it if you haven't went ahead and then basically updated it to the recent version. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.